Again, in this video we are going to learn how we can change the Microsoft Excel worksheet themes. By default, any Microsoft worksheet has a theme that is running on, and we can change that theme because we have very many inbuilt themes that are available. So right now I have this worksheet which is open. So to change the theme of this, what I will do, I have to go to page layout, one of the tabs in the ribbon, click that. Then one of the options, the first tools you get is what we call the theme. It can be in form of theme colors, the font, and the effects. So select the theme. Now we have different themes like Office, Facet, Gallery, Integral, Iron Board, Office theme, Organic. So as I hover on one of these themes, you can see even my worksheet cells, my boxes in the worksheet, they keep changing when I hover on them. So you can choose any of them, and then automatically the worksheet theme will be changed. And all these are the themes you can play with, and if you don't have one of them here, you can go ahead and browse the theme. Then if it is already designed, you can get the theme and use it. But I normally recommend that you use the available themes which are inbuilt in Excel software, so that you really don't get any challenge or anything, because these ones are tested, they have been tested, and they really have no problem. So all these themes also have the colors. You can also add the color on the themes you have selected. You can also change the font, and then you can also change the effect of this, and then there you go. So that's how we can change the themes in Microsoft Excel. And in the next video we shall see how we can get other techniques on how to use Excel tools. Thank you.